name is Robin and this is my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like this channel and its content and that you will subscribe. Tap the bell button so that you'll get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And as always, if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate it. And don't forget, I have a couple of giveaways going on. I'll leave the link above below, so don't forget to check that out. I have a pink box delivery. So you want to see what's in it? Let's get into it. It always comes very nicely packaged. And this is a lifestyle subscription box. I will leave the link and the price below because I always forget. It comes with a card, well, not really a card, but everything that's kind of in it. It doesn't give you the retail or tell you exactly, but just gives you an overall of what's in the box. And try not to crumble in your ear. And I think this is a kitchen themed box. It says you have a special delivery. We've been super excited to send you this box. Our summer kitchen update is just a little something with lots of big uses. So let's get into it. So it looks like we've got a towel. Okay. And a kitchen towel. So this is kind of fun. Oops. Something that I'm assuming is breakable. And I'm not sure what you do with this. But we're gonna find out. Maybe it goes with this Roses and Lime Southern Chic Boutique. I probably should have brought my scissors with me. Sorry if I'm crunching in your ear. Hopefully you guys are having a great week. Oh. Boy, when they wrap things good, they wrap things good. Oh, is it a candle? Oh, it's a candle. It's tangerine and guava. Oh, I've never heard that. Oh. God, they send you candles and you can't stop smelling them. That's a nice candle. Okay, I'm still not sure what this thing is for, but we're gonna find out. Okay, and it's nice that they put together like a themed box. Ooh, we got a napkin holder and some mermaid napkins. It's Aquaholic. So if you have a beach home, this would be a perfect theme. So the napkin holder and napkins, and the odd thing that I still don't know. I'm gonna have to cheat and look at somebody else's videos. Oh. We got stirrers. Little palm tree stirrers. So, is this a shot thing to make the drinks to put the stirrers in? And look at this. It's a cutting board. So I guess I'm supposed to have a party and then put the cheese with the cutting board and my napkins and my stirrers, and is this for shots of tequila? I have to see, and then my napkins, wow, and then of course my candle. I gotta see, here's a little sneak peek about what's coming up in June. The box theme is Tranquility. Okay, so I don't think, oh wait, here's the, oh here it is. So there's the cheese board, okay. And the napkin, the candle. Oh, this is for, I guess this is for snacks. I prefer it for the shot of tequila. But it looks like it has snacks in it. It looks like too small for snacks. What goes in that little thing? I'm still looking. Does not absorb odors and germs. Manufacturer. Okay, I'm not exactly sure. It looks like this has snacks or something in it, but I have to find out because it's too small for anything. But I will find out. But this was such a fun box for the summer. I just love summer themed boxes. This cheese board is gorgeous, and I love the napkin holder. So let me know what you thought of this box. This is a great fun subscription to get, because you never know. They do the fun themed boxes, and that's what I like. So let me know what you thought of this box. And as always, you guys have an awesome day. Okay, I tried to investigate what the little thing was for, and after watching a couple of other YouTubers, one had no idea what it was for, and one thought it was maybe for olive pits. You know, you can put the olives out with the cheese and everything, which kind of makes sense. So I just wanted to, that was driving me crazy, so I just wanted to take care of that. So again, thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day.